As business leaders, we live and die by how effective we are as communicators. And really the question is, how do we facilitate a group on their journey to being effective and do so at scale?
1, 2, go.
Conversation AI is a platform for recording and analyzing and providing coaching on calls. And I use it to help my team understand, what does effective communication sound like?
What we always say at TriNow is what you measure, you manage. So in order to do that, we need every single activity auto-logged into our system. So that makes conversation AI so powerful in terms of what we can keep a pulse on, what we can improve.
Conversation AI has become an ever more critical piece of business intelligence. Through the analysis of all of these conversations, it's an incredibly powerful tool to help businesses understand what it is that we need to do to address the new and changing priorities of the customers that we sell into.